What's shaking up the VCT world? First up, we've got Octopus Titan VCT submitting a circular for a major investment policy amendment. This could signal a significant shift in their strategy and future operations, so you'll want to know what this means. Next, let's talk about Maven Income and Growth VCT5. Their shares have just crossed above the crucial 50-day moving average. Is this a sign of a rebound, or is it time to consider selling? We've got the details. Then we're looking at Hargreave Hale AIM VCT, where shares have just dipped below that important 50-day moving average. What does this technical signal mean for investors, and what could be next for Hargreave Hale AIM VCT? And finally, another Octopus fund is in the spotlight, Octopus AIM VCT. Their stock has also fallen below the 50-day moving average. We're diving deep into what these technical indicators suggest for Octopus AIM VCT and all these VCTs. Don't go anywhere. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single update. Octopus Titan VCT, strategic shift. Octopus Titan VCT has just dropped a significant announcement. They've submitted a circular for a proposed amendment to their investment policy. This isn't just a minor tweak. It's a strategic adjustment that could reshape the company's future operations and how it impacts stakeholders. The circular, filed with the Financial Conduct Authority's electronic submission system, includes a notice for a general meeting where this crucial change will be discussed. Investors are watching closely to see how these strategic adjustments will play out. This move has sparked considerable discussion among VCT followers, with many speculating about the long-term implications for Octopus Titan VCT's portfolio and its commitment to its current investment strategy. Analyst sentiment is mixed, highlighting the uncertainty surrounding the proposed policy changes. Will this policy change mark a new era for Octopus Titan VCT? Stick around as we break down what this means, and then dive into the latest technical signals from Maven Income and Growth VCT5. Maven Income and Growth VCT5 sees technical uptick. Maven Income and Growth VCT5 recently experienced a notable trading day as its shares crossed above the 50-day moving average. This technical milestone, occurring on Wednesday, has investors buzzing about the stock's short-term momentum. The VCT's share price closed at GBX 27.8, with a trading volume of 9,390 shares, indicating a level of market interest. Maven Income and Growth VCT5, specializing in growth capital for smaller UK companies, has a market capitalization of £64.16 million. While the company reported a small earnings per share of GBX 0.1 last quarter, its financial metrics show a negative net margin and return on equity, suggesting underlying challenges despite the recent technical signal. The market's reaction is mixed, with some seeing this as a positive indicator, while others remain cautious due to the company's fundamental performance. Is this moving average crossover a true buy signal for MIG5? We'll explore that, and then see if Hargreave Hale AIM VCT is following a similar path or heading in the opposite direction. Hargreave Hale AIM VCT faces technical headwind. Shares of Hargreave Hale AIM VCT have moved below a critical technical level, crossing below its 50-day moving average on Wednesday. This trading pattern, with the stock closing at GBX 31.82 on a volume of 29,574 shares, suggests a potential shift in short-term investor sentiment against the VCT. The 50-day moving average stood at GBX 32.71, making this breach a key indicator for technical analysts. Hargreave Hale AIM VCT, focused on UK companies trading on AIM, has a market cap of £118.33 million. Despite reporting a quarterly EPS of GBX 0.07 and a surprisingly high net margin of 264.25%, its return on equity is negative. Notably, an insider purchase by Justin Ward occurred recently, adding a layer of complexity to the investor outlook amidst the technical downturn. Will Hargreave Hale AIM VCT bounce back from this technical dip? Stay with us to find out, and then we'll check on the latest technicals for Octopus AIM VCT. Octopus AIM VCT trades below key average. Octopus AIM VCT has also seen its shares dip below a significant technical marker, crossing under its 50-day moving average during Wednesday's trading session. The stock closed at GBX 44.5, with a trading volume of 2,578 shares, indicating a subdued interest compared to some other VCTs. The 50-day moving average was recorded at GBX 46.28, highlighting the breach of this important level. Octopus AIM VCT, which invests in AIM and Plus quoted companies, boasts a market capitalization of £104.43 million. The company reported GBX 0.5 earnings per share last quarter, with a healthy net margin of 21.28% and a positive return on equity of 0.61%. Despite these seemingly solid fundamentals, the recent technical signal points to potential short-term headwinds for the VCT. What does this technical signal mean for Octopus AIM VCT's future performance? We've covered all the major VCT moves today, but stick around for our rapid-fire recap, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. All right, Legends, let's do a quick recap. Octopus Titan VCT is gearing up for a major investment policy amendment. Maven Income and Growth VCT5 saw its shares cross above the 50-day moving average. Hargreave Hale AIM VCT dipped below its 50-day average, and Octopus AIM VCT also fell below its 50-day mark. That's a lot of VCT action. If you found this breakdown valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to Legends Nexus for more market insights, ring that notification bell so you never miss an update, and drop a comment below telling us your biggest takeaway. Follow us on all social platforms for more real-time news.